Let's build a cold call list of local dentists in Chicago from Google Maps. We will be using ScrapeHero Cloud's Google Maps Search Scraper, a ready-to-use, no-code scraper available on ScrapeHero Cloud. Visit app.scrapehero.com. You can easily sign up using your Gmail account or create a new account. Once inside the dashboard of ScrapeHero Cloud, click on App Store in the top left and choose Google Maps search results. Now let us create a new project to gather our data. Click on Create a New Project. Now on the configuration page, let us name our project. I am naming it Call List of Local Dentists in Chicago. In the search query bar, enter our search term, Local Dentists in Chicago, and before hitting Gather Data, enter the maximum number of records you want to gather in the Limit Data Records bar. Now click on Gather Data. That's it. You have extracted the list of local dentists in Chicago just like that. To download the data, click Download and select your preferred format. The data will be downloaded in your desired format. So that's how simple it is to extract local business information from Google Maps without writing a single line of code.